Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker MMNFF or Medmen Enterprises Inc. I've got the daily chart pulled up here and not too much going on the daily chart here. Let me zoom in a bit. Kind of see they were trading at the start of this chart around 34 cents. They dipped down to about 20 cents, rallied up, actually had a pretty good surge up here to 43 cents, but sold off hard and left a big wick sticking out there, and then kind of chopped around and then started to sell off again below the 21-day EMA. You can see here that they did touch this low again of around 21 cents about a week or so ago. Made a little rally to get above the 21, but quickly got stomped down, and again made another attempt here on Friday to get above, and the sellers came in and crushed it down. So that's kind of what's going on there on the daily. You can see down here my trend reversal indicator did show a buy signal here and threw up a stop loss line right here. That would have been a good long entry if you were able to ride this thing up on this wave or up to this point here before taking profit. Let's head into the 1 hour time frame here, and you can see in the 1 hour it's a definite downtrend, so you get a little more detail into the last 20 days here. This thing was trading up around 29 cents, and you can kind of just see it's a little bump here, but for the most part this thing is just kind of trending lower, starting to go a little more sideways here in the past week or so. Let's check out the 15-minute time frame, and yeah, this one as well, just kind of trading within a range, so you really get a look into the recent 5 days where the thing's just been kind of consolidating and going sideways. You see this low here of about 23 cents and a high here of about 28 cents, so definitely within the last week, trading within about a 5-cent range here. So on this time frame, I'm not really seeing much in the way for my trend reversal indicator. You do see a buy here. And then the price did rally up a bit, but yeah, it's just really been stuck inside of this tight range. So I'm going to stick to this time frame and just talk about those two key levels. You can see here, touched 23 cents, buyer stepped in, drove it back up. Again, this candle hit that level. Sellers tried to get it below 23 cents, unsuccessful, drove the price back up. Then it kind of just went straight sideways. A lot of movement on this candle here. Again, it tried to get below that 23 cents and was unsuccessful. So I think to the downside, keep an eye on that. If the sellers are able to drive this thing below that 23 cent level, we could see significant drawdown there. And then to the upside, this is an interesting point right here, because you can see on this candle here, we hit about 26 cents, but a hard sell-off, came back down, went up again on this candle, really hard surge up to 28 cents, but again, a lot of selling pressure, even bigger wick sticking out here. And then look at all these candles that pushed up against this 26 cent level. So it was really riding there, really trying to bust through there, could not. Sold off, came up a little bit, sideways again, and then on this candle, same thing, we're really hitting that 26 cent level. And rejecting that level. So I think to the upside, this is a very important price to keep an eye on. If the buyers can keep this kind of price action going on and retest this 26 cent level, I'll be looking here on the 15-minute. If we can get a candle that closes above this point, I think we can see a significant move higher. But I'll continue to keep you guys updated on MMNFF or Medmen Enterprises Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this.